While Nova Ecijanos have an appeal to the COMELEC. They want a tighter watch on their province to prevent election violence. Here's our colleague Noel Perfecto.
Voters from 15 towns and 4 cities in Nueva Ecija commissioned an election and military and police to ensure orderly and peaceful midterm elections in May this year. According to residents of 4 cities and 15 towns considered as hotspots or areas of concern, it is important for the COMELEC to show its iron hand to prevent the activities of groups that are planning to sow disorder during the election.
Sana maging matahimik sana.
Sa darating na halalan. Thank you.
Iba natin ng malinis na laban. Wala pong kapatayan, gano'n.
Wala na sa amin yan.
Wala na po sa amin para maganda po ang maging halalan natin yung 2013.
Sana nga maging maayos ang ating halalan, walang gulo. Para nini gumanda ang ating pamumuhay.
Their appeal is due to disturbances in the past, alleged private armies, intense political rivalries, poll-related violence, and the presence of organized crime groups. These were also the basis of the PNP when it came up with a list of hotspots. San Antonio Mayor Arvin Salonga still believes in the capability of the government to ensure clean and orderly elections, saying violence is a thing of the past.
Ako po ay naniniwala sa kanilang kakayanan na magkakaroon po tayo ng malinis, mapayapa at matahimik na halalan. At umasa po kayo na ang bayan ng San Antonio sa pangunguna po ng inyong lingkod ay nakikiisa sa pagpapatupad ng batas o ng ating pong Omnibus Election Code.
Congresswoman Josie Hoson herself also believes that the government can ensure peaceful elections. That's why Hoson focuses on extending services to Nova Ecijanos.
Oo, ako naman ay conforme dyan dahil merong personal na commitment sa akin ang Pangulo Noynoy Aquino na dito sa lalawigan sisiguruhin niya na hindi magagamit sa politika ang mga men in uniform.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.